QVC, you can get your Black Friday deals now, and this is one of them. Tara Tesher is here with the largest bowl that she brings to us from Temp-tations.
Hello.
Hi, friend. Mwah. Good to see you.
Great to be here.
This is exciting. We're talking about a Black Friday sale price on your choice of Old World or Floral Lace in this tremendous serving bowl. How big is this bowl?
So 5-quart total capacity, but it's what we call our low profile. So David was saying earlier, it's wider and shallower, which is, so when you talk about presentation, when you talk about capacity and the things you're going to want to be serving, this is that perfect size, fluted all the way around the edges, hand painted on the inside and the outside. And then of course we have those beautiful ceramic handled servers, stainless steel, that match and coordinate back with it. And we even included a cute little recipe, our Berry Good Spinach Salad.
Well, and this Black Friday sale price item, the sale price will go away end of day today. Is that right? Yeah, end of day today, which is why you want to get this now. I'm just thinking about folks that may be doing the 7 fishes on Christmas Eve.
We do that.
They're looking for lots of ways to serve. You've got lots of pasta to serve with something like that.
Absolutely.
You're looking for a big salad. I have a recipe in my new cookbook for panzanella salad.
Ooh,
would be so nice in this,
delicious.
so colorful and big. So what we're talking about is $28.76. Price goes away end of day today, and when that disappears, so will the Easy Pay. Comparable retail price on this is $54. We're at $28.76 and 5 pay. Now, this is poinsettia, which is brand new.
Yes, love.
$3.50 left to go around in that. Here it is in springfetti, $3.50, and beneath that is confetti. Now, moving over to Old World Green, the color that started it all right here. Here's your Old World Green. Then I've got it for you in red, then in cranberry. Come over here to Old World Blue. Now, my goodness, probably one of the most popular colors in Old World, without a doubt. And then beneath that is eggplant. Fewer than 200 in that eggplant. Here it is in black. We've also got it in spice. And finally, we have it for you in brown, which is my color. Now, down below, gorgeous winter.
Yes, with the beading that runs all the way around the edges,
Really,
and you really can see that fluting. Yes.
Beautiful beading, and continued on the ceramic handle of the utensils as well.
We love winter.
Beneath that is light blues. Some might call that Carolina blue. I know I would. And only 100 of those. Here it is in blue, always popular. Beneath that is green. Then I've got it for you in red and cranberry, spice and eggplant, black and chocolate. 200 left in the chocolate. Now, this is a 5-quart capacity bowl.
Yes. What I love about that is, David, it literally can hold over 150 meatballs. So when you're thinking about 5 quarts and you're thinking about those big meals that you're going to be making, I also love the fact that it's your perfect dessert dish as well. Thank you.
Got it.
5-quart total capacity of a beautiful cobbler. So think about that if you're serving an army or you're going to have many, many people visiting. Look how beautiful that is. Nothing's going to stick to the side. So our bowls are bakers as well, which I love. The fact that you get that nice caramelized crumble all the way around. You can tuck this under the broiler when you want to go ahead and finish that. Maybe it's mac and cheese that you've made and you want to get that cheese all nice and crunchy. You certainly can do that. I love it for your dressing, right? When you're making that, again, think of all the things you're going to be serving throughout the holidays and all year round. And I love the fact 5 quarts of dressing or stuffing, absolutely delicious.
Well, if you're down south, it's dressing.
Yes. Well, if it's in the bird, it's stuffing, right? If it's out, it's dressing.
Well, you can also say that, but down south, we just all call it dressing.
Y'all just call it dressing. Y'all, did you hear that? Y'all just call it dressing.
You bust out a little y'all there, didn't you?
But again, I love the presentation of it, and I love that you can keep it warm, so you can tuck that right in your oven, and that'll stay nice and warm throughout the meal.
Now, 1,000 of these are now gone. QVC.com and mobile app's the way to go. Take advantage of the 5 easy payments. If you're using your Q card today, it's automatically 6 easy payments.
Oh, I love that. And I love this as a gift, David. If you're thinking of someone who loves pasta, loves those, has a big family, loves making the salads, how about tucking in some of those great pastas inside it, maybe putting a little gift basket together. And this actually is, instead of getting a bag, what you're using as part of the gift. I love gifts like that.
This looks delightful.
Okay, so our prep stylist, David, did this. He's amazing. He actually just took dough, rolled it out, lined the bowl, and then made a deep dish pizza. Yeah, 5-quart deep dish pizza.
Oh, my word.
There's your slice.
Well,
what do you think?
Yeah, I think I can work through that.
I think you might be able to.
Give me a knife and fork. I'll be able to get after it. All right, so this is H212335. Lots and lots of you making your choice now. 1,500 of these are now gone. Lots and lots of you choosing your color, so please don't wait as we are taking you shopping for lots of great colors. Now, one of them is brand new, Tara.
Yeah, our poinsettia. Love that.
The poinsettia is brand new.
Perfect
Fewer than
for your
100
holiday.
of those left now.
Love that.
This is springfetti. fewer than 300. Beneath that is confetti. Then I've got it for you in Old World Green right here. Jump down to red, and then cranberry. Blue, wildly popular in Old World. Beneath that is eggplant, 175 left in the eggplant. Here it is in black. I've got it in spice, and finally in brown. Think about a lot of these colors as you're looking to dress your holiday table as well, if you're entertaining. Now, winter is so beautiful throughout all of the winter months. You've got that bright pop of color and so pretty and just lovely. Now, beneath that, you've also got it in light blue. 6 dozen left in the light blue. Here it is in blue confetti, most popular always. Beneath that is the green. Then I've got it for you in red and cranberry. Here's spice and eggplant. Finally, black and chocolate. 200 now left in the chocolate. 2,000 total
I'm going to go to the fridge.
Now, if you're buying this today as your very first QVC item, you've never opened an account with us before, do that and then make this purchase. Ask the operator for 10 for you. We will take $10 off this purchase. You know what you're paying for it then? 18 bucks.
I like that.
I like that too.
I like this salad too. So this is the recipe that we actually included, but the reason why I want to show you is because this will keep everything nice and cold. So what's great about this is it's your paella bowl.